Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your Xiaomi Redmi 8A, let's go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and tap on the search pool, type storage, click right here and tap on the cleaner. Click agree. And we can check also what is in the memory. I don't want to delete this wallpaper, so I'm going to unselect, but I want to delete all of the packages and the cache files. So click to clean up. And as you can see, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.